5 outdoor camping hacks that every camper should know. This time, it's the winter edition. Outcastland.com. Opening and closing zippers with thick winter gloves on can always be a pain. So what you do is you take a key ring, you run it through the end of your zipper pull, and you got an easy, wider pull that you can easily fit those fingers in. Give yourself a little more insulation through the night by taking your next day's clothes, stuff them into the end of your sleeping bag. It'll help keep you warm during the night, plus it'll keep your clothes nice and warm for when you put them on the next morning. Another easy way to stay warm during the night is take a hot water bottle, wrap it inside one of your socks, throw that in your sleeping bag, and then you have that radiant heat all night. Plus, in the morning, you'll have some drinking water that's not frozen. Another useful tip is to pack wooden utensils. Metal utensils can get extremely cold in the middle of the winter and really hard to handle, especially when you're not wearing gloves. Last but not least, any experienced camper will tell you that a wind wall is essential when camping in the winter. You strap up a tarp in between some trees, blocking the wind from your tent. It'll help keep you warmer during the night. Plus, blocking that wind will make it a whole lot easier to start fires. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to visit us at outcastland.com, where we sell great recreational land, perfect for hunting, fishing, camping. Visit us on Instagram at Outcastland Inc. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.